Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Fit seats. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm and 14mm socket, plus a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your Honda Fit is parked on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged for safety. Before starting, slide the front seats completely forward to give you clear access to the rear seats' mounting points. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's tackle the rear seats. Begin by finding and removing the two 10mm bolts that secure the front edge of the rear seat bottom. Once those are out, lift the seat bottom up and pull it forward to release it from its rear hooks. After the bottom cushion is removed, fold down the rear seat backs. This action will reveal the hinge bolts that hold the seat backs in place, preparing them for removal. Moving to the front seats, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before proceeding to prevent any electrical issues. Next, carefully unplug all electrical connectors located underneath each front seat. These often power airbags and seatbelt sensors. Finally, locate and remove the four 14mm bolts that firmly secure each front seat to the vehicle's floor. Take your time with each step. With the bolts removed, carefully lift each front seat out of the vehicle. They can be heavy, so consider getting help if needed. Remember to store all removed bolts, washers, and other components in a safe, organized place for when you're ready to reinstall everything. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of these steps. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important, especially after a project like this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.